E-commerce. I'm not an expert in this because I'm not shooting this kind of photos, but I know it's super popular and everybody's asking me at least 5 times per day about doing a tutorial about this. I think there are many companies out there that would like to do this in-house, set up a simple way and just mass production style, you know. So I will show you this today. This is affordable mass production style. This morning, because I bought this Nike shoes, I get these ads, and this is what we're going to do today. Totally blurry, but you get the idea. Shoe, white background. So how do we start? Well, I have a camera. I have the macro lens, 100mm Canon. I have a R5C. I have a remote, trigger this Pro Photo Flash. And we're shooting at 1/160 of a second, f13 to get a bit more, not so shallow depth of field, more sharpness, and ISO 100. I have just like this is a Savage Translume diffusion material, but you can probably use any kind of white thing, maybe paper also. And then I have just a huge softbox, top down, you know, and it's good to have this big one because then we will get this high key background, completely pure white, because that's what we need to get, you know. That's the whole thing we should focus on. We should not care about the product now. It can be overexposed, don't care about this. Make sure that the whole background and surface are 255 on all channels, pure white. And I can show you in Photoshop how you would check this. If you're using some more advanced tethering software like Capture One, Focus, whatever, you can check it there if you have the highlights correct. But I don't think you can do this in EOS Utility, but never mind this, we will open the file in Camera Raw and we will check if it's pure white. So let's take the first shot. EOS Utility 3, a great tethering software that is free for Canon. And here we have the first shot. And as you see, it's a bit overexposed, this shoe, but you know, I've seen actually some sites that are doing it like this because they want to have this pure background, but we will use Camera Raw. So let's go in and open this file, the raw file, and it opens up in Camera Raw. And now we can check. If we click this button up here, this highlight clipping warning, and as you see, we have the whole background white, and that's exactly what we want, you know. And then to fix this shoe so it will not be overexposed, it's so simple. So I think it's worth it to do it this way. You overexpose the product, make sure the background is white, and then we just click this one, this circle with this marching ants around, masking, and then we click the subject. You know, nowadays Photoshop is so great of selecting, you know, so now it's selected, the object, the shoe, and all we need to do is to pull down the exposure until we're happy. You know, when the blue starts to show up, we know it's completely pitch black. You might not want to go that far, but we can go around there. Boom, down. Open it in Photoshop. There you have the shot. And we can double check. Then we click the eye key, we get this eyedropper. We're checking the whole background. It's totally 255, pure white. You know, the whole photo is done. Just a few clicks. Just open the file, masking, select subject, pull down the exposure to your liking. You know, that's pretty fast, I think. And we can try some other products. Noodles, shooting noodles. And let's put them here somewhere. Maybe something like, what about that? And shoot. And let's see, of this master composition style. Yes, you see, we have the noodles in the shot, and it's of course overexposed because we are exposing for the background, so it's high key. So let's open this noodles and see if we can select the subjects. Yeah, sort of. And then we just take it down. And if you think it's too bright on the top, we can always add the flag. Maybe something like that. There it is. Let's open it in Camera Raw. Masking, subject. Can do it like that. And then we just take down if we need to. Well, actually, now it's kind of done. If you add this black card, sometimes this can be enough to get a final shot, you know. Like these noodles. We took down the exposure on the products, but the background is still high key, pure white like we want. So then it's done. So let's take a look at this T. Let's put them in. Do like a master composition here, something like that. Hopefully it's sharp. Shoot, open the file. Extremely overexposed, but that's because we want to have the white background, you know. But then we just hit masking, icon, and select subject. Hopefully he can select. Yeah, he could select them. That's amazing, even though they're so overexposed. But then you take it down to your liking. But there you are. Then you just open it and then you're done. Boom. So this is a way to mass produce e-commerce photos. Pure white background, you overexpose, and then you just select the subject, take down the exposure. Hey, so easy. And if you find it's too glossy or too shiny object, then you can just pull in this flag and block a bit this harsh center light, if you will. So, because this light, if you put an ant on this package and he will look, or she will look at this softbox, the ant will see the light. There will be light on the product. So don't worry about blocking the light. Maybe you have to adjust it. Maybe this is a bit too big. You might losing some high key on the foreground here. So you must watch it so you don't put it too close. But, you know, I think that you can get away with no flag, shoot everything, and then you just select the subjects and pull down the exposure. Done. Let's go. Mass production style, okay? If you have any questions, just put them in the comments. Okay, there we are. Where's my coffee? Did I finish the coffee? Well. Okay, thanks for the coffee supporters. I love you. And all of you who is watching, please subscribe and like if you like this. So then there will be more videos, okay? And remember, as always, I will see you next
time.